Can't use mobile data on your Xiaomi phone? If the internet isn't working, it could be because the APN settings are missing or wrong. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to change or add the APN settings manually on your Xiaomi or Redmi phone. Let's get started. Start by opening the Settings app, tap Mobile Networks. Now select the SIM card you're using for mobile data. Once inside your SIM settings, tap on Access Point Names. This will show you the list of existing APNs. If you're not getting internet, your APN might be missing or incorrect. Tap the plus icon or new APN at the bottom or top of the screen. Now you'll need to enter the correct APN settings provided by your carrier. Fill in the required APN details provided by your SIM company. Suppose I'm gonna set APN for a USA SIM card. Tap Name and type ATT and then tap OK. Then tap on APN, type ATT and tap OK. After that, scroll down to the APN protocol, select IP4, then tap the three dots icon over here. Tap Save. Now select your recently added APN like ATT. That's how you manually add or change APN settings on Xiaomi and Redmi phones. If this video helped you get your internet up and running, please like and subscribe for more easy phone fix tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.